Hi, my name is Barbara Greil, one of the reference librarians at Hinkle Library. This short video tutorial will show you how to research and complete the assignments for Professor Vack's Managerial Communication course. There are two major research assignments in the course. One is the individual article review assignment. The other is the topic paper. We'll focus on this assignment, but the sources and methods demonstrated in this video will enable you to complete the individual article review assignment as well. Here are the requirements for the paper. For the purposes of this tutorial, let's assume that the focus of our topic paper is Chapter 12, Communicating with External Audiences. To get to the library's webpage, just go to the Alfred State webpage at www.alfredstate.edu. Along the top menu, link to Library. Here is the library's webpage. Let's take a quick tour. The Search Almost Everything box offers a one-stop way to search for full-text magazine, journal, and newspaper articles, as well as for books, videos, and ebooks in our collection. The box labeled Narrow Your Search is useful if you want to search only in the library's catalog or want to connect to a specific database. The Help box offers guidance on how to connect to our databases from off-campus and provides an email link to a librarian if you need assistance. This box also includes citing sources, which brings you to a page with online and print resources in many different citation styles. The online research guides are prepared by librarians and include subject guides, course guides, and guides on specific assignments. Let's link to the online help guides. The guides are arranged by broad subject areas. We will link to the guides in the Business and Management category. Then we will link to the guide for your class. This is the Find Articles page of this guide. It has links to the best databases to use for your research. The peer-reviewed refereed page describes the differences between scholarly or peer-reviewed publications and popular ones. These are the kinds of publications your professor wants you to use. Make sure to look at the examples and online guides to APA citation format found on the APA tab of this guide. If you are an off-campus student, take a look at this short video that explains how to access our subscription databases from off-campus. Now let's go back to the Find Articles tab. We'll link to the database Business Source Complete. You are prompted to search the database using relevant words and phrases. Remember that our topic is based on the textbook chapter, Communicating with External Audiences. Here is what happens when we search under that exact phrase. We retrieve very few results. What went wrong? It's our choice of search words. Realize that the words and phrases used in a search determine the relevance and quality of your results. The topics listed on the class schedule represent chapter headings that the textbook editors have used to organize the contents. These headings are just general descriptions of the content. Basing your database search solely on these words will usually lead to poor search results and a lot of wasted time. Therefore, read the chapter before searching and take notes on the key concepts discussed in the chapter. Some of the concepts included in this chapter include the importance of press releases and how to write a press release, planning a press conference, and the role of good press relations for an organization. Now let's search Business Source Complete using some of the key words or concepts actually covered in the chapter, such as the phrase press releases. We will type in press releases and then hit search. We have retrieved over 5,000 hits because we have done what is called a keyword search. A keyword search retrieves any occurrence of our search terms found, as in this example, in the title of the article and in the abstract or summary. Notice that the article includes the words press and release, but it is not really on our topic. Keyword searching is a good way to start, but there are ways to improve the search. Notice that our search term is listed in the subject line in many of the articles. This means that the developers of this index have determined that the phrase press releases is the official term to use whenever classifying articles on this topic. Let's search for press releases as a subject search by pulling down this menu and selecting Subject and hitting Search. We have retrieved fewer articles, but there are still too many to make this a useful search. If we were to scan the results, we would find that the articles are on all aspects of this topic. Boolean logic, or the combination of search terms with the word "and," will allow us to narrow this search to locate articles about, for example, the writing of press releases. Here we have "anded" WRIT with an asterisk to the search as a subject term. Notice that this has really reduced our results. We might want to expand our results. At this point, it is useful to scan the result list for really relevant articles. Check the subject lines of these articles to see if there are additional words that could be added to the search. For example, let's add the terms feature writing and publicity to the search, as they are somewhat related to the subject of press releases. Here we have connected these terms using the Boolean OR. When we redo the search, the results have expanded significantly. Notice the toolbar on the left of the result list. You may limit your results in the following ways: by retrieving only full-text articles or articles with references. You can limit by scholarly or peer-reviewed articles, or by date by using that scroll bar, or you can limit by source type as shown here. If we select scholarly peer-reviewed journals, for example, the articles will often be lengthy and will often describe actual research studies. Your individual article review assignment requires the use of this type of resource. Here are some hints about choosing articles. Position the cursor over the spyglass icon to see the abstract or summary. Notice the length of the article. Some may be quite short. Notice that some of the articles list the number of references included. Click on the title link to access more information. The right-hand toolbar enables you to add the article to a temporary folder, or email it or print it. You can save it, or you can create a permanent link to the article. When you click on the Cite link, the index generates a citation in a variety of formats that can be cut and pasted into your reference list. Warning: sometimes the formatting is incorrect. Check the APA Citations tab on the LibGuide for this course at this URL. Click on the PDF link, if there is one, to view an image of the article as it appeared in the actual publication. Some articles are not available in full text in this index. By clicking on the Link to Full Text icon, you are taken to a screen that will lead you to the full text if it is available in another of our databases. In this case, the article is available in full text, and by clicking on the article link, you will be taken to the full text in the database Science Direct. If the article is not available in full text, you might want to request it on interlibrary loan. So to review, read the topic chapter first and note the keywords and concepts. Access Business Source Complete from the online library guide. Use keyword and subject searching. Use Boolean AND to narrow results and Boolean OR to expand results. If needed, limit the search by date or source type. Use the citation generator with caution. The format is often incorrect. Another database you might want to try for this assignment is ProQuest Research Library, which includes a business database, ABI Inform. Another database you should be aware of is Business Insights Essentials, which is great if you need to research information about a specific company or industry.